Hi everyone, my name is Unkeen Malardino, and over the last 6 months or so of this class, I've actually changed jobs twice. Currently, right now, I am working for a company contracted by the Department of Corrections in my state, and we are working with reentry, helping the inmates that are getting released from prison get to appointments that they have, making sure that they have the appropriate resources that they need in order to not get incarcerated again. So the company that I work for, as I said, was contracted out of DOC. So eventually our contract will be up. So part of my position is to be able to look at the progress that we're making, be able to put it on a spreadsheet, and to give DOC the appropriate statistics so that they see that what we're doing is actually helping the recidivism rate and helping the state and ultimately helping them. So the last class that we had really helped me to be able to swiftly organize the statistics and also appropriately um, read them and navigate through them. So for this class, if I am able to learn more about what is happening across this country as far as advocacy goes and social welfare and the history behind it, it really will help me to give a presentation to DOC and to ultimately help my clients, the inmates, to be able to have more success once they're released from prison. I really look forward to learning and working with all of you during this class. Thanks.